about
Place
it, right?
is locked down, Captain. Actually, web down.
And someone finally reported shots fired, so I've got officers inbound. Good work.
Welcome back to another Spider-Man video. For now, we're just gonna play a ton of Spider-Man because I'm bored. I heard there was a break-in, but I don't see it, so we're just gonna let it
listeners,
happen.
brushheads, they call themselves, though never quite understood why. You'll remember my warning about the downright Orwellian crime monitoring system the city was installing. It's not operating. Why? Because someone came to their senses and realized they'd be violating civil liberties? Wrong! Because those incompetent bureaucrats built a network that crashes more often than a wino driving a bumper car. So your tax dollars got wasted, and there's nothing to show for it. It's about as close as you get to a happy ending in the real world, kids.
Stop complaining about the system. We're fixing it, so shut up. You know what? I'll go fix this one. You're such a whiny baby. JJJ, such a whiny baby.
Attention unit, drug deal reported. Need an officer to check it out. Please proceed to Bowery.
Yeah, that's not my problem. There's a crime right here. We're just gonna go fix it. Yeah, we're gonna. I like to do stuff on the way, like so we can get points, so we have stuff done, like this. Any brutes? I gotta check for the brutes because you know I hate them.
Knocking the ever-loving stuffing out of dealers is my anti-drug.
Yeah, we're just gonna get both of these done before so we don't have to do them later. Okay, let's go check this out. This looks fun, doesn't it?
Harry, I'm at a Fisk construction site, and there's a lot of guys here who aren't exactly constructing.
What are they doing?
I want to go find out.
Yeah, because we have no clue what we're doing.
Just got a text from Doc. Looks like he attached an idea for a Spidey gadget. Man, does he ever stop inventing?
Ooh, new stuff.
Wow, this looks like it could work. Let's see. Can't read this. Should have brought my glasses. Awesome. Doc could be proud.
You guys are new here, so let me give you rule number one.
that coming.
No one's getting past me. Let's see what this is.
I don't know how I want to do this. I haven't been talking much. Yo, what? Should I just go in crazy? I mean, like, 1, 2... Let's count how many at least. Before we do something pretty dumb. Look at him. Is he safe? No. No, he's not.
Nice, thank you. Sweet dreams.
Tom, I heard.
Ready night.
Six.
One, two. Can I take out this whole building?
Stand by. Snoring now.
Could have been pigeons. Anyone's there? Show yourself. Hey, think we got company. Checking it out. There he is. Open wide. Open wide.
Uh-oh. More of them.
Spider-Man, turns out we busted 4 illegal firearms dealers within a 3-block radius of that site.
Gun running. Let's see what I can do to cut down the supply.
What are we supposed to do against that? Hold still.
Dang it, looks like they caught their buddies.
My super spider?
Oh, hey, more guys. Welcome to the party. House rules. Leave your shoes at the door. Unless you're not wearing socks, in which case, socks already.
You're gonna have a bad day.
No, you.
Alright, let's finish them all.
What in the world? What is that? Come on. Spawn me back at wave 4, please. Yeah, thanks.
Don't let him get where.
Before he knocks us all out. Oh, hey, more guys. Welcome to the party. House rules. Leave your shoes at the door. Unless you're not wearing socks, in which case, buy some socks already. Stick the hell up.
Nah.
Got it. Keep him down before he knocks us all out. Got a thrill for you.
You asked for this. How was that?
Anyone want to surrender? No?
I'm in an ass-kicking mood.
That's all you'll say. That's hurting.
Before he knocks us all out.
Okay, continue now.
I can't reach him.
No duh.
Fire in the hole.
Okay, let's go. Whew. Yeah, about
Place is
right.
locked down, Captain. Actually, web down.
And someone finally reported shots fired, so I've got officers inbound. Good work.
Yeah, okay, done.
Fisk has more construction sites throughout the city, vetting their fronts too. Keep an eye out, and report in if you see anything suspicious.
Okay, report everything. Bet.
If I'm gonna find all of Fisk's construction sites, I should recalibrate my mapping software to be more accurate. Using a depth-mapped post-process on photos of popular landmarks should do it. And I know just the one to start with.
Okay, Pro Spider. Let's go.
Man, I love this town. Time to grab a snapshot. That'll do it. Map should be recalibrated now. Haven't done much photography since quitting the Bugle. Forgot how much I enjoy it. Huh, Mr. Lee. Hello?
Here, it's Martin Lee. I just wanted to let you know we need a little extra time to get set for May's party. I guess the cake delivery is stuck in traffic.
Oh, sure thing. Just let me know when you're ready and I'll swing by.
Great. Talk to you soon.
Okay, got some time to kill. See what's happening out in the city.
Hey, before you go, can you please sign?
All units be advised. Armed robbery in progress. Nearby officers may proceed to the Bryant area.
Hey, sorry about that. What was I saying? Oh yeah. Fantastic. Back on track.
As long as our little gift to this escaped the mayor's attention. You get the bidding tomorrow?
Definitely. Look how great. We're gonna change the world, Doc.
I'll settle for not starting any more fires. See you tomorrow, Peter. Here's to a successful day.
Hi, Mr. Lee.
Hey, Peter. We're all set for the party whenever you're ready.
Cool. I'm on my way.
Nah, we're gonna go do the tower first. I would rather have a tower done and have some like stuff done that I don't, so I can save time later. But this is the official playthrough, though. This is gonna be the official playthrough. Where is this? Oh. Okay, we got this one. Done. We're gonna grab this backpack. That's should be on this building. And this is my brother's account still, so that's still not my name. Let's go. If there's anything on the way, we can go get it. I mean, we can go grab this one, I guess.
All units. Civilians are trapped following a vehicle collision. Incident is active near Grand Central.
That's fine. We're not gonna save them. It's we're grabbing our backpack. Fine, we'll save them.
That car crash looks bad. Hope no one's injured. Pedestrian trapped under that vehicle. Hang on! Hold on! here to help.
Thank you.
So yeah, we're gonna be hitting everything on the way, so that's... I don't know if we have time, actually. No, we got time for a few things, I guess. Yeah, take some time. What are we here for? No, this. How does this work? How does landmarks work? Did you take a photo of it? Yeah, we got time. This might run a little over time, a little over 30 minutes, but I just kind of wanted to do some things on the way. We're just getting things done for later. I know you're like, no, you should go do the story. You should go do the story. You can't tell me what to do. You're not my mom. Unless my mom's like, oh yeah, give them what they want. Go do the story. Then yes. Then I'll actually do it. Because, you know, I have to listen to my mom, obviously. But none of y'all are my mom. And none of y'all are probably watching right now. So like a year in the future. Or it's just me watching my own videos. Yeah, I take joy in that. Don't ask why. Okay, fine. One last backpack. We'll leave the crime. We'll just grab the backpack. Just want to get these backpacks done. It's just to save time for later. Let's go. Oh, okay, fine. Fine.
Where did I put my bag?
There you put your bag.
Mr. Lee's probably in the kitchen getting ready for the party.
Yo, what? I'm gonna end this one here. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see y'all next time.